This is my husband's third pair of these Ecco men's classic lace sneakers. As you can see, this pair is really beat up. The bottom has been worn through, but they still look pretty good. Needless to say, it was time for a new pair. So let me show you how these look out of the box. Now, the reason my husband loves these shoes so much is that they are exceptionally comfortable. Straight out of the box, they look good, they feel good. He can wear them for miles without any foot pain. He also loves the simple leather nubuck design. It really is a clean and lovely style with thick zippers, easy to open up, and a comfortable insole. So key. When I pull out the insole, you can see that it is a solid insole. Nothing truly remarkable, but very comfortable, especially with how the shoe's been built. This shoe is just an exceptional quality shoe, and I too enjoy Ecco brand shoes for their comfort. It is soft throughout. It just feels really smooth, especially along the top. And here you can see the new one compared to the old pair. Now the old pair he will still wear. It'll probably turn into a camping shoe, and it still looks pretty good and it still works well. It was just time for a new pair. Cannot recommend these enough. Truly love them in this household. The Ecco Men's Soft Classic Long Lace Sneaker.